All right, again, so let's get the amplitude. The amplitude is whatever is in front of the sine, and you put it as a positive number, even though it's negative here. Amplitude is a positive, so put a 1 there. The period, you divide 2 pi by whatever number is in front of the x, so 2 pi over 2, the period is pi. The x-intercept and the interval on which the function is increasing, well, we need to see the graph. Okay, so first thing we do, we divide the period by 4. So pi over 4 is pi over 4. So we put a pi over 4 here. For the next quarter, we add pi over 4. So 2 pi over 4, which is pi over 2. And then we add another pi over 4. So now we have 3 pi over 4. And finally, we have pi here. So you need to know how the sine wave is. So if it's positive, it goes like this. If it's a negative, it goes like this. So it's a negative. So if you don't know where to start, just remember the sine of 0 is equal to 0. So we're going to start at 0. And the first quarter is when it goes to the minimum value because it's negative. So it's a negative 1. And then this is 1. The next quarter is when it goes back to 0. And the next quarter is when it goes up to its maximum value. And then back to 0. Okay. So that's roughly how it looks like. And now we can see where the x-intercepts are. So any place it touches the x-axis is right here, and right here. So we actually have 3 x-intercepts on this wave. And the x-intercepts are at 0, pi over 2, and pi. And when is it increasing? Well, I'm going to use a highlighter here. So it's actually increasing from pi over 4 all the way to 3 pi over 2. So increasing at pi over 4 to 3 pi over 2. We put this in parentheses. And that's all, folks.